What's up, film jammers? Have you ever wanted to add visual effects to your film, but it was a little tricky? Well, check out this new all-in-one effects pack from Big FX. You can make some really cool looking visual effects, like these. Ooh. Stay tuned to see how. Today we're taking a look at Big FX's Blockbuster Starter Pack, which is just $89. Excuse me? There's a 15% Film Jams discount code? Well, 2020 just keeps getting better. So what is the Blockbuster Starter Pack from Big FX? Well, it's basically 140 plus pre-made visual effects. And there are 8 different categories of visual effects included. Electricity, explosions, meteors, lasers, bullets, blasts, large-scale effects, and destruction. There's tons of great stuff, but when I started taking a closer look at these effects, I realized this is no mere mortal's effects library. What really caught my attention were the Star Wars-inspired effects that were included. They've got a red lightsaber. Hey. There's lightning similar to Darth Sidious's Force lightning. And they have Star Wars blaster effects as well. So I was hooked right there. The clips all come pre-keyed out or with a transparent background or alpha channel so that you can just place them in your scene as is. Many of them look great just like that, but for things like lightsabers, you will still need to track them, so keep that in mind. But a lot of the effects are drag and drop, so I've been adding them right in Premiere, right in my timeline, without even opening After Effects. I don't need you, After Effects. I don't need you, man. Now, in the past, I've used some other visual effects packs, like Action Essentials, which is a pretty good pack, but it's also $250. And I feel like the effects pack from Big FX has some really unique stuff that I just haven't seen before. And plus, it's just $89, or with your Film Jams discount, that's 75 clams. Have you been thinking about adding visual effects to your film? Well, Big FX has teamed up with Film Jams to offer a 15% discount code for your next film. It's so good. Wow. Plus, you could save 15% right now with the Film Jams 15% discount code. One of my favorites in the pack is the nuclear explosion. It's really cool. They found us.
Excuse me, Francis?
And here are some other effects you can do with the pack.
So what planet are you from?
Uranus 5?
Oh, that's the worst planet!
I hate Uranus 5. It's the best planet!
The giant salamander people are here. I hear them.
Now, we've shot a few scenes here at Film Jams with the Big FX pack, but I'm hoping that you all can go out and make some even cooler stuff and composite using these effects. So grab our raw files, we've got links below, and share the scenes you create with us. We've got some nice high-res 4K footage shot on the Blackmagic G2 and the Canon C200. And I think you'll really like messing around with this footage when you get the Blockbuster pack. And we've got a little contest to make things more interesting. So whoever creates the best VFX composite using our footage and the Big FX pack by October 31st, 2020 wins a Mars X transmitter. Beautiful wireless transmission from Mars. A $200 value. Another thing that I really like are the fire effects because you... Wait a minute. Has anybody seen Jay lately? So overall, I think you can really do some fun stuff with this Blockbuster VFX pack. And the reason I wanted to share it is I don't think there's too many other options out there in this price range. And plus, I think everybody needs a nuclear explosion in their demo reel. Clients love that shit. Anyway, which effect was your favorite that you saw in this video? Let us know down in the comments. And if you're gonna buy, make sure to use the Film Jams discount code to save yourself about $15.
Film Jams 30? Film Jams 10? No, silly, it's Film Jams 15.
We've got links below to Big FX's website where you can learn more about the Blockbuster Starter Pack and also to download the sweet footage from this episode. Yes. Good stuff. I feel like this would be a great spot to put a visual effect to just end the whole episode really epically. But no, we're not going to fall into that cliche. They'll save you 15% on your car visual effects. Water, Mr. Water. Sean, you're fired.